My name is Erin Botker, and I'm the coordinator of undergraduate recruitment at UMBC-Shady Grove. My role is to help students who are interested in applying and transferring to UMBC-Shady Grove figure out if they have the prerequisite coursework they need in order to transfer, as well as help you through the application process. If you're interested in general information regarding UMBC-Shady Grove and the transfer process, or would like to set up an individual appointment, please visit shadygrove.umbc.edu/pre-transfer. In this video, we're going to review how to navigate Combinet, the portal UMBC uses to collect applications from students who are interested in admission to UMBC-Shady Grove. If you're at the point of applying to UMBC, this help video is for you. You can get to Combinet a couple different ways. From our homepage, as you can see here, shadygrove.umbc.edu, you can click on our Apply button, which will take you to a page on our website that gives you additional information about admissions to UMBC-Shady Grove. From here, you scroll down and select Apply as an undergraduate student. This will route you to a UMBC's admissions page where the application steps are outlined in detail. The link to Combinet is on step 1 on this page. Please note that you should review all of the steps outlined here in addition to completing your application via Combinet. In addition to your application, you will need to submit official transcripts from each university or college you have previously attended, including international coursework. Instructions for the submission of transcripts, as well as a few other steps, are outlined here. For now, we're going to focus on the Combinet portal. After you click on the link listed in step 1, you'll be routed to the Combinet website and prompted to sign in and create an account. If you haven't already, please proceed by creating an account like you would any other online profile. Be sure that you are signing up as a transfer student. If you have 30 or more earned college credits from another community college or four-year university, you will be applying as a transfer student. The first thing you want to do after creating your account is indicate that University of Maryland, Baltimore County is the school you want to apply to. Please note, you must spell out UMBC. Once you find UMBC's profile, press the plus button to add it as your school of interest. Please be sure you are choosing the correct start term of interest, fall or spring. Then click Continue. After reviewing the schools or programs you selected, continue with your application. From your dashboard, this is where the most time-consuming work comes in. Each of these tiles contains a variety of questions for you to answer. As you complete the questions included in the tiles, you will see the circle status bar beginning to fill up. The personal information, academic history, and the supporting information tile each contain questions regarding schools previously attended, biographic information, and previous experiences. The questions that are required in each section are denoted by a red asterisk. Be sure to save your progress as you go. While all the required questions in each tile need to be addressed, I'm going to focus a bit on the program materials tile, as this is where UMBC specific questions are. In the title, under UMBC, please select UMBC undergraduate program and the fall term or spring term that you are interested in applying for. In the tab entitled Documents, you are able to upload any materials you wish to share with us. If you do not have any additional documents to add, scroll to the bottom of the page and select I am not adding any documents. In the second tab, you have the option to send letters of recommendation. Please note, letters of recommendation are not required to apply to UMBC. Submitting letters of recommendation is optional. If you do not wish to submit any letters of recommendation, please select I am not adding any recommendations. If you choose to invite recommenders, please click Add Recommendation. After selecting Add Recommendation, you will be given the opportunity to enter the contact information for your recommender. If you enter a recommender's contact information, an email request will automatically be sent to the recommender on your behalf. There's also a Slide Room tab, and this is specific to visual arts major at UMBC Catonsville. There's no need to create a Slide Room account. Select Opt Out to complete this section. Last but not least, in the Questions tab, there are a number of UMBC specific questions. I'm only going to focus on a few here today, but please note all the questions listed here and complete all the questions in the section. Within the Questions tab, you will indicate your intended major and campus of interest, which will be Shady Grove. You will also find a required writing supplement question. Please take the time to complete this. I would also like to note that Honors College courses are not available at UMBC-Shady Grove. If the Honors College is not of interest of you, please answer no to the Honors College question. The Residency Questions are also located within the Questions tab. These questions should be completed by applicants seeking in-state residency for tuition purposes. As I mentioned, there are only a few questions included in this tab, but please be sure to complete them all. Once you have answered all of the required questions in all of the sections of your application, you will be able to navigate to the Submit Application tab. If your application is in fact complete, the Submit button will be green and you will be able to select Submit Application and move forward with reviewing and submitting your application. If the button is still grayed out, as it is here in my example, please note there is a question you have left incomplete. In that case, you should return to the My Application tab to determine which area is still marked incomplete. After you have submitted your application, there are two things you should move forward with. If you do not do so through the Common App, please submit official transcripts from all post-secondary institutions you have attended previously. Transcripts can be mailed to Undergraduate Admissions, UMBC, 1000 Hilltop Circle, Baltimore, Maryland, 21250. Or you may have them sent electronically if that option is available to you at your previous institution. If you are asked to use an email address to send transcripts electronically, please send them to admissions@umbc.edu. Please make sure that you submit transcripts at the time of application, even if courses are in progress. Remember to submit an additional copy of your official transcript once your final grades have posted. Please note, if you have completed 30 or more credits at another institution, high school transcripts and SAT or ACT scores are not required. Additionally, you should receive a confirmation email from UMBC within 2 or 3 business days of submitting your application. That confirmation email should contain information regarding UMBC account setup. Please note, it is critical that you set up a UMBC account in order to receive timely information about the status of your application. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give me a call at 443-612-1314 or email me at erin.botker@umbc.edu. I hope this video has been helpful as you begin your journey at UMBC.